emphasize the importance of the organization that we have as far as the almost 50 governors that we have who are incumbents, of the 173 congressmen who are incumbents, and some of which, most of whom have no opponents. And so they can concentrate on working for the election of our national candidate. Bigyan natin ng value yung organization, which is not only on the upper echelon, but down to the barangay level.
Can you tell us what the president said?
You mean this afternoon? Well, the president told me, you better work on whatever concerns that has to be addressed as far as the Lakas PCMB is concerned. You're the chairman, so do something about all of these concerns that have been raised. And we have all addressed it. We have talked, we have exchanged views, we have come up with resolutions, we have the officers, and we are one.
Was the word Villa Arroyo ever mentioned?
Oh, we don't really, we don't really mind them, because you will note also, we are,
This is Lakas Gambi, not the Liberal Party.
we would like to post the diploma of Gibon Chidoro, which we are also adopting. We are for positive campaigning. We are after the presentation of the platform that's going to be implemented by the incoming president, and so is us. We do not say anything about our opponents. We inform our voters, what have we done, ano lang nagawa namin, okay kami, nakaupo kami 3 taon, anong nagawa mo sa 3 taon yun? And then, ano pang gagawin ko ulit sa sunod pang sumunod? That is how we do our campaign. Hindi kami so hindi namin, wala kaming comments doon.
Mr. President, concerned about